I am blessed with wonderful gifts and experiences every day. My life is full of good health, gentle love, terrific success, and joyful happiness. I am grateful to be alive and have the great opportunity of experiencing another glorious day. Thank you for that. I am constantly surrounded by a healing white light that protects and guides me every step of the way. I am always in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what I love to do. I am focused and have a clear view of what my goals are and how I want to go about achieving them. Life is simple and easy, and I realize I accept myself. I grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. I am successful at everything I do. I am infinitely wealthy and rich, and have an infinite abundance of money and precious treasures to enjoy every aspect of my wonderful life. I am in the most nourishing love relationship with the best person for me. I deserve and receive happiness in every aspect of my life. The universe blesses me at every moment with love and joy. I am completely healthy in every way. My body, soul, and mind are in complete harmony with each other, which keeps me in perfect health and forever young. I am talented and creative. I enjoy giving and receiving love at every moment. My life is blessed with eternal youth, wealth, love, and much happiness. I gratefully accept the gift, the joy of life today. The best and the highest surrounds me and flows throughout my entire being at every moment. The universe protects and guides me in the right direction all the time, and I am safe and at peace. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you.